In this video, we are going to learn the interesting techniques to find the square of the two-digit number. There we go. I just have taken the four numbers. First one is 25 square, another is 39 square, third one is 12 square, and then 41 square. Usually we used to do the same one proceeding steps like 25 into 25. Rather, we can make a vertical multiplication to make a multiplication and to finding the final product of the two numbers. Rather, the same numbers are there, then we have another technique to multiply the numbers. But here we go that we can find the square by using the very interesting technique that we have to find the square of 25 without using these vertical steps. So let's move on. What to do first? If there are the two numbers and there is a square at the top of that bracket, so you better write down first of all three lines, 1, 2 and 3. These three lines tells about it's a unit place, it's 10th place, and it's a 1000 place, right? And you better remember there are the two numbers. At the unit place there is a 5, at the 10th place there is a 2. So how to find the number of this two-digit number, that to find the square actually? So 5, what is the square of 5? Then we have to find the square of that particular number. The square of 5 is 25. So unit place square that we have to find the first of all, then write down at the unit place. So there we go 5, the square of 5 is 25. So we have to write down here 5 and carry here 2, because the square of 5 is 25. So 5 written here and the 2 at the top of carry right here. Then the square of 2, the 2 square is 4. So that we are going to writing here 4. So square of 2 is 4. Look at that, the unit place square is been written at the unit 1 and the 10th place square is written at the 10th place. If this 2 square is only in single digit or it is in double digit, so remain here only the double digit should be as it is right here. So look at that, the square of 5 is 25, 5 here, 2 here, the square of 2 is 2, 2 to the 4, there we go 4, and the third step is the multiplication of 1, 2, 3 all together, means 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20. Okay, fine, this the 20 we got, but we don't have to write down 20 right here as it is. So 20 and this 2 plus 22. So we have to write down here 2 and again carry here 2. So we are writing about here 5, then this 2 and 4 plus 2, 6. So it's a 625 is the final answer. If you don't realize that, you can have the another chance to learn how to find the square of 39. Same process that we have to write out of the three lines right here, the square of 9 here, the square of 3 here, and multiplication of all three number at the middle. But before writing the middle, we have to remember if we have carried the any number, it should have been added. So the square of 9 is 81. So 1 here and 8 there, the 81 is been written. The square of 3 is 9, that actually we have written right now. And now talking about all the numbers together should be multiplied. 9 3s are 27, 27 plus into 2, 27 2s are, then you better remember 2. 54. So 9 3s are 27, 27 2s are 54, and 54 plus 8 right here, that you should have remembered 54. 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. It means that 62 is the answer. So there we go, 2 here and 6 there, and now has to completely calculate. Now we have already added 8, so we are not going to be counting right here. So 1 2 and 9 plus 6 is going to be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there we go, it's a square of 39. And now talking about the same procedure about 12. So there you go, 1 2 3, and now 2 square of 2 4, square of 1 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. There we go, 144. It's quite easy to find out. And now the last one is 1 2 3, the square of 1 1, 4 to the square 16, and 2 4 1s are 4, and 4 2s are 8. So there we go, 1681 is the square of the 41. There is a 39, there is a 12, and there is a 25. If you want to know more, if some of the peoples might get confused right then exactly what is the kind of the process right there in to find the square of 16. So what to do? So 1 2 3, the square of 6 is 36. So 6 should be here, 3 should be here. Then square of 1 is remain 1, and make a multiplication of the three numbers. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and 12 plus 3, 13, 14, 15. So there we go, 5 and there is 1. If we have already added 3, it's not necessary to take again. 6, 5 and 1 plus 1, 2. So 256 is the square of 16. It's quite. In this step we could get actually the 25 square. It means that 25 into 25, which actually is 625. And we didn't use the kind of the steps right therein. By replacing with 25 square is equal to 1, 2, 3 like that. We take a square of 5 square, which is 25. There we go, 5, it's a 2. Then 2 square is 4, and then 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 20 plus 2, 22, 2 here and 2 there. It has been already added. 5, 2 and 4 plus 2, 6. It's a basic step about 25 into 25. But if there is another number without finding the square that we want to about the 25 into 26, then how to use the technique to make a multiplication in such case? So we can have then another idea to make a multiplication of the vertical thing. 25 into 26. Do not use the general step. We are going to use the genius step to do so the calculation right there. This one with this one should be done as simple multiplication with carry, and this one with the simple multiplication with carried down, and the middle two numbers should be cross multiplication like that all. So I am just going to be show and how to make an easy step. 5 6 are 30, the 0 here and 3 should be carry here. Okay, fine. Then make a cross multiplication. 6 to the 12 and 5 to the 10. So 12 plus 10 is going to be 22, and there is a carry 3. So 22 plus 3 is equal to 25. So there we go, it's a 5, and the 2 should be again carry. And now make a 2 to the 4 and 4 plus 2, 6. It's going to be the answer that we can find the easiest step, that 6 5 is 30, 0 should be here, 3 here. Then 6 to the 12, 2 5 is 10, 12 plus 10 is equal to 22, 22 plus 3 is equal to 25, 5 should be here, 2 should be carried, 2 to the 4 plus 2, 6. There we go, it's a quite easy step about to calculate the vertical multiplication. If you want to calculate another number, that we are going to make a multiplication 16 into 13. So let's move on with the vertical process. 16 into 13. As per we know, 6 3s are 18. 8 should be here, 1 should be carried. 3 1s are 3, 6 1s are 6. Okay, 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 0 and 1 should be carried, and 1 1s are 1 and 1 and then plus 1. There we go. So it's quite 208. So it's easy way to make a multiplication, that we can follow the steps without addition and taking a base 0 and etc. So this is the simplest way that actually we had done about last time. So 2 to the 4, 4 plus 2, 6 as last time we had done. So in similar one, I just wanted to show the another example about smaller number otherwise. 21 into 35. Let's calculate this by using the same process. 5 1s are 5, 5 to the 10 and 3 1s are 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 3 should be written here and 1 should be carried. And 3 to the 6, 6 plus 1, 7. It's quite easy step to make a multiplication by using this shortcut or trick, which actually can be find out. On the other hand, if you want to make a 3-digit number multiplication, it's also quite easy, that actually we can use the another steps about there, and it is more complicated compared with this 2-digit number. But we have a same process to do so, but in this case we have done in the 2-digit number, we have done only the single cross multiplication. Rather 3-digit number consisting up multiplication, down multiplication, and in between there is a 2 cross multiplication, and there is a central all together multiplication. This is going to be more lengthy, that actually we can done the vertical process, which will be more faster than that. So we are not going to taking the same process and following to the 3-digit number on 3-digit number, because it will be more lengthy. Even if you are just making a calculation and adding that, it will take a more time. In the same time that we can make a calculation in vertical process for the 3-digit number. So no need to use that all. Now how to create a table by yourself. If you don't know the tables, that we can have then ideas about to calculate the table without looking elsewhere. So let's learn about its 11th table. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. Up to there it's a table of 11. Okay, fine. It is moving on as it is up to the end. 66, 77. 88, 99 and 110. It's 11 table that we don't know about the 12 tables and how to do so to make an easy calculation about that to create the numbers. 11, then it's going to be 12. And now start counting from here. If you want to find the second number, then start counting your second number. 22, 23, 24. You have to just count the steps. 23 च्या 23 and then 24. So that we can actually count the numbers over the last number. So 22, 23, 24. there we go 24. Now third digit we have to find. Onward 32 we have to calculate. 33, 34, 35, 36. It's going to be then. Then 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So there we go, it's going to be 48. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59 and 60. Then 66 set. Then we have to count this number over the 66. 67, 68, 69, 70, 71 and 72. Onward that you can create the entire table of 12. If you want to just make a table of 13, then you may proceed to the like that. 24, 25, 26. Then 36, 37, 38, 39. Then 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. So look at that, 13 to the 26, 13 to the 39, 13 for the 52. It's onward that we can actually create the innumerable tables right there in by without having any knowledge, because it's a similar steps that about counting the numbers about over the previous number about that and adding the same number about there in like 60, then 61, 62, 63, 64 and 65. As you know, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83 and 84. So it's a easy trick to create a table by itself up to the 30 and more than 30 also that you can